Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about smell. The sense of smell is how a human or animal notices a smell or odor by using the nose. Human scent organs are made of olfactory cells that can detect more than 10,000 different kinds of odors. Smell is the first sense babies use after they are born. Just like some people can't see or hear, some people can't smell. This is called anosema. We use our nose to smell things. At the top of the inside of our nose are millions of tiny little hairs called cilia, and they contain chemical receptors. These hairs are connected to smell sensors, which send signals to our brain about smell via the olfactory nerve. We smell things when they emit small molecules that float in the air and end up in our nose. We can't see these tiny molecules, but they are there. The reason we sniff is to get more of these molecules up into the top of our nose to where they can attach to the special sensors and determine the smell. Smelling helps us in many ways. It first makes our food taste better. We can't really taste that many flavors, but with the help of smell, we can taste thousands of different things. Also, smell helps to warn us from bad things like rotten food or smoke from fire. One smell cell in your nose can distinguish between hundreds of different kinds of smells. It can detect odors in concentrations as small as 1 part per million in air. The senses of taste and smell are closely related. If you weren't able to smell very well, food wouldn't taste as good. Approximately 80% of what we taste is actually qualified by our sense of smell. This is why our taste is diminished during a cold or flu. Your nose is stuffed up, so you can't smell what you're eating. Humans don't rely on their sense of smell as much as animals do. A bear has to sniff around for food, but we can just go to the supermarket. Dogs have nearly 44 times more scent cells than humans. A shark can smell a tiny amount of blood in the water from miles and miles away. Animals with strong senses of smell have larger olfactory membranes than we do, and their membranes contain way more receptors than ours. Smell has a very powerful link to memory and links to the emotional regions of the brain more directly than other senses. Our sense of smell is strongest in the spring and summer because of the added moisture in the air. It is also stronger after exercising because of the additional moisture in the nasal cavity. Scent works in the opposite direction of other senses. With sight, sound, and taste, we identify the information first and then react emotionally. With scent, we have an emotional reaction first and then identify the scent shortly thereafter. Thanks for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.